Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get Wi-Fi on Alaska Airlines. First, turn on Wi-Fi on your phone, tablet, or laptop. From the list of available networks, select alaskawifi.com. Open your preferred web browser and go to alaskawifi.com. Choose the Wi-Fi option that suits your needs. Streaming fast satellite Wi-Fi, available on most 737 and E-175 aircraft except flights above the Arctic Circle. Basic Wi-Fi supports email and web browsing, not streaming. Check pricing or enjoy free Wi-Fi benefits if you're a T-Mobile customer with an eligible plan. And that's it. You're now connected and ready to surf the web, send emails, or stream. And that's how to get Wi-Fi on Alaska Airlines. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.